Happy Monday, guys. I am back at the property. Last time you guys saw me, it was last week Monday. So today is day 39. Wow, yes, time flies, guys. Day's 39. Let's go ahead and see if you guys notice any changes. At first glance, what do you notice? Come on, can you tell? They're sitting right there and some other places. Yes, the trees are gone, guys. We had a landscaper come in and, clear up some of the bushes. You see, and it just makes it look so open, like you can finally actually see the house now. So this is what it looks like. And we're gonna go on ahead, dumpster seals here, and we're going to go inside. Wow, I can't wait till we finish this up, but just, you see, landscaping is makes such a major difference in the appearance of a home. Okay, let's go inside. Here go me. Hey. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's take a look. Wow. They have been working. Look at the walls. Look at the walls. Everything is ready for painting. So I think the main things are done. Let me close this door. It's just the major thing is, clearing everything out and then working on the floors. Because once we do that, that's really gonna be a huge difference. So look at the walls, yes. See, they got other stuff on the floors. This is what it's looking like. The walls are looking good. This is this room. You guys see the changes? And the doors are on as well. Okay. And the bathroom, here you go. See? It's coming along. I think we're going to try to restore this tile and save some money. Well, ain't no I think, because it would have been gone if we wasn't. Because, yeah. So that's what I'm going to do over here. All right. Let's work on this side. You guys can see. Can't wait till all this gets cleaned up so you guys can really see. But lots has been done, though. They added this door onto here. Get the kitchen area. I don't know why this refrigerator is still here though. Okay. Let's go ahead and look. You guys have seen this. See, everything's ready for painting. Oh, yes, they moved what is that? That was right there. It wasn't an AC unit, it was a heat, something. But yes, they patched that up. You can't even tell it was there. That was a great job, guys. Can't wait till they add the baseboard. I don't know what's going on up there. And you guys have seen the bathroom, so I'll later on I'll show you guys that again if you haven't seen what we transformed. This is amazing. These guys have been doing a great job. All this, it was a door leading outside over there. So yeah, and we just built this whole bathroom. It was where the electrical was there. I think the water heater was there as well. And now it's a whole entire half bath. And this is the back room. This is gonna be a large room. Back here. Okay. Yep, that's about it. That has occurred, but big changes, guys. So I'll let you guys know. Well, when something else big happens, then I'll come and check in. Obviously, y'all can see by the time, I don't know if we're gonna make it in the 45 days, but keeping hope alive. Because it's not too much. I have to actually go pick out the color for the house. I was supposed to go do that, but I'm gonna go get the kids from school now. And yes, so I'll see you guys later. Here's the update. All right, later.